All right, it's tonight, World of Wonder. But first, we're celebrating the birthday tonight of Mike Wall. He gives World of Wonder a certain look because he's the editor and a good friend of all of ours here at the station. So we want to say thanks, Mike, and happy birthday. That's Mike's look of wonder. And then, but we're talking about this tonight, the Venus transit. Take a look at tonight's World of Wonder.
It's one of the world's rarest spectacles. An alignment of planets that for years has compelled astronomers to scour the world to catch a glimpse. It's called the Venus Transit. This June, Venus will pass between the Earth and the Sun, allowing us in the Northern Hemisphere to see this. The black dot you see against the solar surface is actually the shadow of Venus, moving between us and the Sun. It's like a solar eclipse, but unlike the Moon, which blots out the entire Sun, Venus appears only as a small dot. That's because it's much farther from Earth than the Moon. The Venus transit happens in pairs, a first transit followed 8 years later by another. That double feature pattern repeats every 243 years, making it one of the rarest of all celestial sights. The fascination of the Venus transit began in the 1600s, when Johannes Kepler, using Galileo's new invention, the telescope, predicted the transit of 1631. 8 years later, English astronomer Jeremiah Horrocks became the first to see and record the event using a telescope to shine the image on a blank card, and it set a search in motion. For the best viewing spot, scientists began to travel the globe, including British Captain James Cook, whose first mission was to record the transit from the South Pacific. That he did. While sailing near Tahiti aboard the HMS Endeavour, he witnessed the transit from what is now known as Point Venus. Recently, a set of photographic plates were discovered. Put together, the plates produced the world's first motion picture of a Venus transit. The movie was created in 1882 by astronomer David Todd in California. The last Venus transit took place in June 2004, which means get ready for your chance to see what scientists have been trying to see for centuries. The Venus transit, a rare world of wonder.